Welcome back, guys. We'll be doing another unboxing of a channel sponsored item. I already opened the box, but it's from Image Wash Products. We got a can of, oh, that's what the problem is, the lid's busted. But I think it's, yeah, it's just the cap, so that's okay. Glass cleaner. We're gonna try that out. Then we got a nice wash mitt. Nice wash mitt. Then we got a shirt, which they did send me a large. That's the second company's done that, but they said they'll send me a medium, so that's alright. I'll see if I can. I know on my other shirt that I got from, I think it was Bad Dog Tools, I can put it in the wash and see. Well, that will be the third company because Typically did it too. But shrink it down. And then we got some bug remover, professional grade. Then we got some wash, professional grade soap. Then we got some wax replacement. But this, I think, is a soap canyon. Very nice soap canyon. We're going to test this out. I do have a bunch of soap because I had a soap canyon, but I can't find the top part for this part. But we're going to open this up, and we're going to need to build ourselves a little shot because we're doing a bunch of cleaning stuff. But I mean, it seems pretty nice. I know. I just did an unboxing on the stuff I received from Black Widow, but I mean, seems pretty good. I'm going to try to make this one really short to see if it does better than my other videos, but yeah, we're going to need to build a little shelf. I'm running out of space. But do that. Alright, guys. We're going to end it here. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. I'll put a link in the description to Image Wash Products. Thanks again to Image Wash Products for sponsoring the channel. Look forward to working with them on the channel. And as always, guys, catch you on the next one.